In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share an Instagram reel to your Instagram story. So let's head over to Instagram. So first things first, let's make sure we're on the same page here. So Instagram reels are these vertical videos that you basically swipe up and up and up until you've seen 45 minutes of your life go by. And Instagram stories can be found up here at the top. So how do we go about sharing one of those reels to our Instagram story? The first step is going to be that you have to decide on which video you want to share to your stories. And that can be one of your own reels, which you can find by tapping your own icon at the bottom right and then swiping over to the Reels tab, or you can simply click on it, of course. And that's where you'll find all of your own reels. Now you can also share reels that you find in the Reels feed, which is here again at the bottom, the second button from the right, and then you can scroll and scroll and scroll until you find something that you want to share. Or you can share a reel that one of your friends, for example, has shared to their profile. The only thing that I'm going to say there is that you have to know whether or not your friend's profile is a public profile or a private profile. A public profile basically means that anyone on Instagram can see your content regardless of whether or not they follow you. If you have a private profile, only people that have followed you, requested to follow you, and you have accepted their follow request are able to see your content. Why is this important? It's because let's say that your profile is a public one, but you try and share a reel from one of your friends who has a private profile. It might not work because your friend has not allowed the entire population of Instagram to see their content, right? So let's decide on the reel that we want to share to our Instagram story. Let's just go for the first one. So once you've decided which one you want to share, simply click on it. That will open up the video. And we can do a bunch of different things here, right? We can watch the video, we can leave a comment, we can save it, we can see what audio has been used. But what we want to do is we want to click on that little paper plane icon. And when we do that, you'll be able to see all of the different ways that you can now share this reel. So you can share it to specific friends that you have on Instagram. You can copy the link and share it elsewhere. You can share it on a bunch of other social media platforms. But what we want to do is we want to click the first button that says add reel to your story. And there we go. So now we are prepping a story with this reel. If this is all you want to do, you can simply go ahead and post your story. There are a couple other things that we can do as well, right? We can change the size of how that reel shows up in our story simply by pinching and making it bigger or smaller. We can change the background color. So if you're like, well, that's a little bit of an odd color behind that video, simply click the button at the top with the color and you'll see that it starts changing, and you have a couple of presets in Instagram that you can choose from. Or if you're like, well, I want a very specific color for my background, you click on the three little dots and then you click on draw. And now you will be able to select a color either from this color wheel at the bottom, or you can use the color picker and actually select the color from the page that you want. But for now, let's just go with I want a white background. So we're going to select the white color and then press and hold on the background and you'll see that the color changes. So let's click on done. And then let's say that we want to add some text. It can be as simple as this with a little heart. There we go. And then we'll drag that down. You can do a bunch of stuff, right? You can add stickers, whatever you like, and then simply click on the button here, either on the left-hand side, or if you only want to share it to your close friends, click on that button and it will share it to your story for you. That's it. That's all there is to it. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment down below. And then in the meantime, make sure that you check out some of our other videos over here.